Want to know how to change your email in Reolink? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Reolink application. Now, once you've opened up the application, here on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this me icon right here. This is your Reolink icon. Just simply select it. Now, once you've selected the icon, just simply hit towards your username right here. This would extend it and then select your email. Now once that is on, the external browser of Reolink should open up. And here you should be seeing this edit icon right next to email. Just simply select it. And now you can just simply change your email to whatever you want. So once you select it, you can just simply change it and then your verification code will be set and your change will be successful. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.